Rachel, and this is my overview of our data meeting number 2. I used my exploratory questions to determine my artifacts. My exploratory question of focus was, what are the students struggling with that is causing them to fail or drop out of the program? My triangulation data context and value was that I initially had 13 students, and now I have 11 who are still successful in the cohort and 2 who have dropped out. So I came up with these 4 artifacts. Number 1 was students who had failed a class in the program. Number 2 was a final grade versus a final exam grade and the differentiated learning within. Number 3 was an average of an entire semester's worth of grades. And number 4 were students who dropped out versus students continuing. This is a more detailed explanation of my artifacts. So in data meeting number 2, since I was the leader, I initiated the discussion board meeting with my team members, reminded everyone of their roles, posted a checkoff sheet, and suggested a time to meet. Everyone could meet at the suggested time, and since I still have access to my data and a bunch of data points available, we decided to use my data for the rest of this project. So, as a group, we started talking about my artifact data tracking sheet, and this was helpful to me to get reinforcement that I made some good decisions and some comments made by my other team members. Richard started making charts while we were talking based on the artifacts that I presented, and the 3 of us took notes to incorporate into our presentation later. So we gave these notes to Richard, our consolidator, so he could start with our data presentation. And overall, as a reflection, this meeting was more efficient and shorter than our last meeting, and I believe that's due to the fact that we're getting to know each other better and understanding how to work with one another, and we've seen this happen once already too. So at this point, I feel like I have a good team who contributes to make for a fast working atmosphere.